Good morning, Simon here. Today's snippet is: you are the sum of the 5 people that you most associate with, or the 5 people that you most mix with. A famous quote from Jim Rohn, one of the best motivational coaches and speakers out there. And how true is that? You mix with 5 people who are negative, whose glasses are half empty, and you find yourself being drawn into the same mindset. You mix with 5 people who are forward-looking, outgoing, want to grow, want to improve their performance or increase their business, and guess what happens? You improve and increase your performance and your business. Pretty much like a sports team. If you're a centre forward playing for a Premiership team versus a centre forward playing for a failing second division or Championship team, then what's the difference in your mindset and your outlook? Think about that really hard, because it's really key. Thanks for listening to today's snippet. I've been Simon Nelson.